Hey guys, I'm gonna give you a heads up. You know what? You take a screenshot if you want to get a hold of me. You know the routine. Here's the heads up. The burnishing tool starter chart sucks. How do I know? I made it. We've done some burnishing using the chart. The chart has nothing that's relevant to the real world. I recommend if you got a chart and you're using it, throw it in the shit can. Let me show you what makes good sense. Alright? See, this says, let's use the KISS method. Alright? I made a video that says burnishing tool KISS. KISS method, keep it simple, stupid. Let me show you what really makes good sense. And my boy Doug Perfetti developed it. Let me show you here. You see the three? In my chart, it doesn't show you a feed rate. It doesn't show you a lot of things that are relevant to what Doug did. What Doug did is real world. The chart is a figment, or is it a pigment of my imagination? My drugs must have been tainted the day I made that chart. Let's go over this. Here's what Doug did. Jesus Christ. Hang on. Trying to get. Alright. You see the diameter that the three jaws of the three jaw chucker? That's stock diameter. It's 1.250 or inch and a quarter. He had some inch and a quarter C360 brass. How come he ended up at 1 inch diameter? Because from an inch and a quarter to 1 inch, he did a lot of screwing around. First thing he did was he established a feed rate that he could get a decent finish with. Right? The feed, he ended up doing it at 4 thousandths per revolution. See that? Alright? When he finally got down, on the way down, he did some burnishing before he got to the 1 inch diameter. He'd turn, burnish, turn, burnish. When he finally got it so it was repeatable, he brought it down to a 1 inch diameter that you see there. Then he burnished. He knew what he'd get because he had done it at bigger diameters. Alright, in the meantime, while turning it at 4 thousandths per revolution, you see down the bottom it says turning, 330 RPM. That's that shot doesn't tell him that. He did that by screwing around, alright? So once he got that turning knocked down, he started burnishing. He brought the burnishing up from 330 to 510 to get a good burnish, right? And he got over here a minus 2/10. He didn't do that once. He worked his way down from inch and a quarter to 1 inch. 1 inch, nice nominal diameter. From there you can calculate bigger diameters. Do you see what he did? So as far as I'm concerned, that's the real world. Now notice the feed rate here and the 1 inch in here. He applied them same feeds and speeds to other materials. Let's go over here. This 12L14, same feed rate, different material. He ended up 1 inch with a 1/1000th difference. You see it? Alright? Same RPM, turning, same burnishing RPM. So he knows that using those speeds, and in 2 passes, he can get there. There's another one he did. This is 1018. Same feed rate, same turning and burnishing. You understand? So what Doug has done is establish some real world. Now, if you had a 2 inch diameter instead of a 1 inch diameter, you can calculate that. We haven't got there yet. You know what I mean? All right? So I'm gonna call this. What the hell could we call it? Burnishing tool. Doug Perfetti method. Alright, burnishing tool, Doug Perfetti. Alright? I don't know. Anyway, that's all I got at the moment. I'm just trying to show you how my thinking is changing. I want you guys to be able to use them goddamn tools without a lot of technical data that just slows you down. I know I did it with the what you call it? I don't know. Fuck, I sold so much shit. I did it with the sign bar, laid compound sign bar. I provided charts that were accurate and that were tested. A lot of guys loved it because they didn't have to do all kinds of bullshit. I want to do the same for this. I want somebody to be able to grab this, take a look, and go to work with the most Mickey Mouse math. Maybe I'll make a chart up for this. You know, it's one that's relevant. The chart that I show you here is a piece of shit. Don't use it. Alright? So, what I'm saying is, we're going through an evolution. Alright? We'll get there. Alright? As usual, thanks for watching.